Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another potential wedding style. It's going to be up into a little curly fro with two twists coming down both sides. The last hairdo we tried, it lasted for about a week. Towards the end of the week, it got a little bit rougher, but that's natural. So we already knew that was coming. We're going to try the Eco Gel again, but we're going to try the Eco Gel with water first, cream, and then oil and gel as well. I read someone's comment and they were saying there's like steps to making the Eco Gel work for you, so we're going to try these steps and see how it goes. So let's get started.
No edges for real. Like I got mini baby hairs that be
Right, we're going to do what we can with them.
Literally. I like the simplistic stuff, so I'm excited to try on dresses tomorrow.
Ooh,
I'm nervous, but
nice.
excited. It's one of those, I don't know.
I don't even like how this gel is laying in your hair right now.
It didn't flake. I will say that much. It did not flake.
Like if you can look close, kind of if you come close to the camera.
Yeah, okay. No, I know
you see
you're
those
talking
like
about.
white things.
It's the water. It's the water.
Oh,
And I meant to I meant to say that too. When I tried to do a twist out. When I tried to do a twist out, I tried to do it coming down this way so my afro with my curls would fall.
Mm-hmm.
And I put there was still gel in my hair, and I put water on top of it, and all of a sudden it turned very white. It curled, but it got super heavy, and I was like, wait, it like soap in my hair.
Yeah.
And I was like, wait,
like soap chunks.
Yeah, like literally.
I'm looking at it right now, like.
Like, why is it doing that? Yeah, I ended up having to like rinse that part of my hair. It was just like, no, you can't do that. Like, I ended up just doing it, I think, with cream, which is why my twist out came out kind of strange, is because of the like white look. And I was like, oh, then that morning I just picked it out. Yeah. I'm fucking with this style hard.
Oh, I like this one.
I'm fucking with this one heavy.
I do.
This is now my new official style.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Oh my god.
I think your mom's gonna like this one too.
I don't care if she does or doesn't. I love
She said, I don't care if she does or doesn't.
it. I like it.
Nice little fro.
It's gorgeous. I know I had enough hair to do something like this.
Look.
That's
All right, guys. So we have now completed her hair. We'll see how many days it holds up. You know, the wedding only lasts a day, so we really only need it to last for a day. But it's actually a pretty protective style. She can take this down, wash it, put it back up. And the twists were really nothing at all. So pretty easy to do. I think we both like this style. So we'll see what her mom thinks and soon to be hubby. And we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.